Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress theme. First, understand that a theme is a collection of files working together to create the design and functionality of your website. Begin by setting up a local development environment, like Local by Flywheel or XAMPP, which provides a safe space to build and test. Next, select a starter theme or framework, such as Underscores or Genesis, to give you a solid foundation and save many hours of initial setup. Every WordPress theme relies on a few essential files. The style. CSS file is crucial. It defines your theme's visual appearance and includes important theme information. The index. PHP file acts as the main template, displaying posts and pages. Other template files like header, PHP, and footer. PHP handles specific sections. Finally, functions. PHP is where you add custom features, enqueue scripts, and register theme support, making your theme truly unique and powerful. Once the core structure is in place, it is time to customize. The WordPress Customizer offers a live preview interface to adjust colors, fonts, and layout settings without touching code. For more advanced content structures, implement custom post types, like portfolio or products, and taxonomies to categorize them. You can also add custom fields to posts and pages, allowing for highly specific data entry and display, enhancing your theme's flexibility and content management capabilities. Before launching, adhere to best practices for a professional theme. Ensure your theme is fully responsive, adapting seamlessly to various screen sizes, from mobile phones to large desktops. Prioritize accessibility to make your site usable for everyone. Optimize for performance by minimizing file sizes and using efficient code, aiming for a load time under 2 seconds. Finally, conduct thorough testing across different browsers and devices before deploying your new theme to a live website.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.